How to check ride history in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your ride history. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. So these are the profile settings that are available. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called ride history. Simply tap on ride history. So these are the history that are available. So it will show you whichever history or wherever the places you went to. Here you can see all personal and businesses, so it even categorized into different variation. So if you have any confusion later about the location, you can directly come here and know which location you went to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.